Welcome to our regular operation readiness series. Today's topic is plant manuals and procedures preparations. Some criteria for a rigorous procedures preparations, like for operating and maintenance, include to use process specifications, PNID, process flow diagram or PFD, list of equipment items, and most importantly, set up feedback process and recommendation from subject matter experts. Second is to ensure conformity to all legal and current requirements, not limited to health and safety, but also environmental, best practice, and others. Give us a shout if you're interested in knowing more on procedures preparations to increase your operation efficiency. Thank you.